Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to give you a basic tutorial on how to activate auto fishing and fish a game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already joined the game and this tutorial is especially for beginner players. If you are a pro players, you can skip this video. Okay, I'm going to select the rod first. And then if you want to activate the auto fishing, you can select auto toggle right here. Just tap on that and now the auto fishing has been enabled. And this feature is very useful guys, especially if you want to AFK in the game. So you just need to wait for the fish. You don't need to do anything and you will get the fish automatically. And yeah, it's so cool. And if you want to disable the auto fishing feature or toggle, you can click the auto. Okay, and now the auto fishing has been disabled. So I need to manually fish. Okay. Okay guys, and that's how we can activate the auto fishing feature in Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.